Hi guys, this is Hakim. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to build this COVID-19 page using HTML and CSS, no bootstrap. So stay tuned. So this design was actually gotten from Dribble. So Dribble is a website where users upload design. So if you need an inspiration to design your website or app, you can check dribble.com right here. So this design right here, you can see the main page is slightly different compared to design. That is because I didn't add the pagination right here. I wasn't quite sure how the pagination works, so I left it out. And also I wasn't able to get the logo right here and the icon right here, so I left them out. So actually this design was created by Nada right here, and I got the colors right here. So this is the main color and this is the hover effect color for the link. So we are going to make use of font awesome for the icons, and if I hover on the icon right here, it has this hover effect, and also if I hover on the link right here, it has this hover effect. We are going to make use of a font family also called Roboto, and this image was gotten from png.com. So I'm going to make the project file available for you guys to download. So this is what you are going to create in this video. If you like this kind of video, please like and share, and also if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, and let's start coding. Okay guys, so right now I have a blank index.html page right here, and if I open the index.html file with a body tag which is empty, so I've actually linked the font right here, and also the font awesome, I've linked it right here. So I created a style.css file right here which I linked right here. So we'll start by adding a header tag, and we're going to add a nav tag also right here. So this div is going to hold the logo. So obviously we have no logo, so I'm just going to add a h1 tag, and now add a text of corona. So right here we are going to add a ul tag with the class of list-items. Then we'll add the list tag with the class of list. And inside the tag we are going to add an anchor tag with the class of link. So we are going to add the text of home. Then we are going to duplicate this 4 times. So the second list item is going to be about. Third list item is going to be statistics. Fourth list item is going to be WHO. Then the last item is going to be contact. So let's see. Okay, this is what we have right here. So we are going to start styling the page. So we are going to reset the page. We give it a padding of 0, a margin of 0 also, then a box sizing of border box. So next step, we are going to grab the header tag, and we are going to give it position of relative, so that we'll be able to move elements around. So we are going to get the body tag also, and we'll give it a font family of Roboto, sans serif. So we are going to grab the nav tag right here. That is this nav tag right here. So give it a background color #FE9A99. Then we'll give it a height of 10 VH, and a width of 100%. So let's open our page. So this is what we have right now. We are going to give it display of flex. Then we'll give it align items of center. So we want the item to be vertically centered. So we'll give it padding right of 60 pixels. So we are done with the nav tag right here. So now we are going to grab this logo class. So we'll start styling the logo right here. That is this text. So we'll give it flex of 1. So we want it to take flex of 1, while the UL tag is going to take flex of 2. So we'll give it a margin left of 40 pixels. 40 pixels. So right now we are going to style the text itself, that is the H1 tag itself. So we'll grab the H1, we'll grab the logo class, then the H1 tag. So we are going to give it letter spacing of 2 pixels. We'll give font size of 30 pixels. So this is what we have right now. So we are going to grab the list items right here and start styling it. We are going to give it flex 2. So it's going to take more space compared to this logo right here. Then we are going to give it display of flex also. Then justify content of space evenly. So it's going to space the list items evenly. So right now we are going to style the list itself. We are only going to add one property, which is the list style. I'll set it to none. This is going to get rid of the bullet point that was here. Then we'll grab the link also. So I'm going to style the link right now. We are going to give text decoration of none. Then we'll give it color of black. Then font weight of bold. So this is what we have right now. So right now we are going to add the hover effect to the link right here. So I'll say link colon hover. Then the color is going to be #B A4C 4A. So we have the hover effect right now, but we are going to add transition to it. So say transition. I'm going to give it 0.4 seconds. So this is what we have right now. The next step, we are going to add a main tag right here for the main sections right here. Then we are going to add this text, and also we are going to add this image right here. So below the nav tag, I'm going to add a div with the class of main. Inside the div, I'm going to add another div with the class of main-left. So the main-left is going to hold the text right here, while the main-right is going to hold the image and this text right here. So I'll say main-left. Then I'm going to duplicate this and I'll change it to right. Inside the main dash right, I'm going to add an image tag. Then I'm going to add the image link, which is called virus.png. So this is the image right here. Then below the image tag, we are going to add a paragraph tag with a text of COVID-19. So this is what we have right now. We are going to style the image right here and the text. So we are going to select the main dash left, and we're going to give it a height of 100%. Then I'll give it width of 50%. Then we select the main dash right. We give it a height of 100% also. Then width of 50%. We're going to add a display of flex. Then we'll give it justify content of center, align items also of center. So this is what we have right here. We are going to change the flex direction to column. So we'll say flex direction. We are going to give it column. Right now we are going to style the image itself, this image. So before we style the image, I want to give it a class of img-v. So we'll style it. We are going to give it a height of 30 VW, sorry, and width of 30 VW also. So the main reason I'm using view width is because we want the image to adapt to some screens. Like now, if I minimize this screen, as you can see, the image change its size. So that's why I'm making use of view width. So right now, inside the main dash left, we're going to add a div with the class of text. So this div is going to hold the both text. So the first text is going to be inside a span tag. Say span, and it's going to be corona. Then below it, you are going to add a paragraph tag. So right now I'm going to copy and paste the text. So right now I've just pasted the text right here. So we have to style the main class in order to space this evenly. So I'm going to select the main class right here. I'm going to give it a background color. I'll give it a height of 90 VH. So the nav already took 10 VH. That's why I'm giving the div the remaining 90 VH. So I'm going to give it display of flex, and I'll give it justify content of center. So right now, this is what we have. So we are going to style this text right now. So I'm going to grab the text. I'll say main right, and I'll select the p tag. I'm going to give font size of 30 pixels. Then I'll give it padding top of 20 pixels. So this is what we have right now. Right now we are going to style the text right here, and also this message right here. So we are going to grab the text, that is the div with the class of text. So we'll say text. So that is this text right here. Then we are going to give margin left of 18%. and we'll give it a padding top of 32%. So this is what we have right now. So we are going to grab the span tag and style it. So I'll say text, get the span tag, and we are going to give it a font size of 7VW, sorry. So I'm making use of VW so that the font size change depending to the user screen. So we are going to give it letter space of 25 pixels. Then we'll give it font weight of bold. So let's see what we have. Right now this is what we have. So we are going to style the message right here, and we are going to grab the p tag. So we'll say text and grab the p tag. We are going to give it a padding top of 18 pixels. Then we'll give it a font weight of bold also. Letter spacing of 1 pixels. Then we'll give it line height of 25 pixels. So right now this is what we have. Let's check the main design. So this is the main design, and this is what we have right now. So next step, we are going to add this bar right here. We are going to add the icons. So outside the main class right here, we are going to add a div with the class of right bar. So say right dash bar. Inside the div, we are going to add an anchor tag with the class of search. So this is going to hold the search icon right here. So I'm going to open Font Awesome right here, and I'm going to search for search icon. So I'll say search. I'll click on this. I'm going to click on start using this icon. Then I'll click on this to copy the icon. So inside the anchor tag, I'm going to paste the icon right here. So the next step, we are going to add the remaining 4 icons. That is the social media icons. So the icons are 4, so they are going to be in one class. I'm going to create a div with the class of icons. So I'll say icons. Inside the div, we are going to add an anchor tag. Then we'll add a class of icon dash btn to it. So I'm going to open the Font Awesome website again, and I'm going to search for YouTube icon right here. So I'll say YouTube. So I'll click on this. Click on start using this icon. Then click on this to copy the icon. So I'm going to paste it right here. Then I'll duplicate this 3 times. The second icon is Instagram, so I'll change this to Instagram. The third icon is Twitter. I'll change it to Twitter also. Then the last icon is Facebook. I'll change it to Facebook -F, I think. So let's see. So right now, these the icons right here. So I'm going to start styling the right bar div right here. I'll give position of absolute. Then I'll give it width of 60 pixels. I'm going to give it height of 100%. So I'm going to take the full width, the full height. Then I'll give background color and make use of RGBA. 0 0 0, and the alpha is going to be 0.5. So this is what we have right here. I'm going to give it top of 0. I say top 0, and also I'm going to give it right of 0 also, so that is going to move it to the right. So this is what we have. So the values right here are not complete. So this is what we have. I'm going to give display of flex, and justify content of center, so that is going to center the icon horizontally. So right now we are going to grab the search div right here. We are going to give position of absolute, then we'll give color of white, and we are going to give it top of 25 pixels, then we'll give font size of 20 pixels. So let's see what we have. This is what we have right here. So next step, we are going to style these social media icons. So we are going to grab the div with the class of icons. So we'll give position of absolute also, then we are going to give it bottom of 40. So want it to be at the bottom right here. Then we are going to give display of flex, then we are going to give it justify content of center. So we want to center the items, and we want to change the position, so we are going to give it flex direction of column. So we'll say flex direction, we'll give it column. So this is what we have. So we are going to grab the class right here, this icon dash button. We'll give it a margin top of 20 pixels, so we want some space between them. Then we are going to give it background color of white. So we'll say background, we'll give it white. Then we'll give them text decoration of none. So this is what we have. We are going to give it a width of 35 pixels, height of 35 pixels also. So let's see what we have. This is what we have right now. So I want to give it the round shape, so we give it border radius. So border radius, we give it 50% to get the round shape. So we have the round shape right here. So we are going to give it position of relative, because we want to position the icon itself inside the anchor tag right here. So right now we are going to style the icon itself. So say icon dash btn. We are going to give it position of absolute. So I want to center the icon itself. As you can see, the icons are not centered. So their main approach to center this icon, we can use flex, but I think flex box is going to be overkill for something like this. So that's why I decided to use positioning. So we're going to give it top of 50%. We'll give it left of 50%. We're going to give it a property of transform. Then we'll translate it 50% for the x-axis and also 50% for the y-axis. Sorry, minus 50%. So right now we've centered the icons in the anchor tag. So next step, we are going to change the color for the icons. So we are going to give it the icon a color of gray. So say color, we'll give it gray. Okay, right now we have the gray color. We are going to add the hover effect right now. We are going to add the hover effect. So we'll say icon btn hover. So want to change the background color and also want to change the color once the user hover on the icon. So color, we are going to give it white. Then we'll give it background color of #FE9A99. So let's see. So right now we have the hover effect. We are going to add a transition to it. So say transition. We're going to give it 0.4 seconds for the duration. So let's hover on it and see. So right now we have the hover effect working fine. So let's see the design. So this design right here, and this is our page right here. So I think that will be all. If you find this video helpful, please like and share, and also if you not subscribe my channel, please consider subscribing, and stay safe, wash your hands, keep coding, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.